Touch one pan boy. Come like this, make it stiffer. Yeah.
Dirty bad mind, but me do your so. Be a negative, you just.
Please, what do I need? Please, subscribe to this channel. Please, I beg in the name of God.
This is Tony Curtis, representative for Sika Pure Music, the real music, you hear me? Big up on yourself, Sika Pure, I go around the world. Blessed love, Tony Curtis has said that. Rolling! Poof!
Oh, me never smell none pan you.
No, you don't smell this from me now.
No!
You lie.
So what happened to my one? Me smell my one.
Something wrong with your nose?
Yeah.
Your nose cock off.
Me smell my cologne. I smell your cologne, pa.
You're fresh cool, your nose cock off.
You say look like when him see that if him nose black up.
Not black up principle, but him not have on nothing for girl. So me not go smell a boy cologne. No care how the smell high, me not smell it.
That you something wrong with your nostril.
Yeah, make it wrong with it.
Something wrong with your nostril, man.
Yeah.
You come like you.
I walk a smell boy and then cologne. To me boy cologne is like no fragrance, you know. Me not smell it, no care me come near you. Me not smell it, brother. Girls cologne me smell. I don't like your girl, not sure you're fat.
I tell you, you're boring.
Yeah man, me want boring. Yeah, because me not smell you. Me go boring enough because me not smell you.
Nice man, Kalanga water.
No worry yourself man, you're not smelling for me.
Wait, Kalanga water, you must be dead. I'm dead alone, you're Kalanga
that
water.
That mean you smell man then Danny.
Me not smell man.
You smell man. How you know me use Kalanga water?
Eh?
How you know me use Kalanga water?
I don't use Kalanga water.
Hey, you ever buy me one?
Because I don't smell it by you. I don't smell the real cologne by you. I smell Kalanga water.
At that time, I use it. At that time, I use Danny.
You know something about me and my cologne.
At that time, I use.
The island here.
Look now.
Come in, island, drive the car there.
Come in, man, Bingy. Make that brother you up the blood clot, man. No, you have to come. But you have to up it. Up, you have to up this.
Drive from people vehicle top.
Cold and 6.
You drive from people.
You drive from bus. Up, you have to up it. We now see if you go up on the top. You can't go up on the wheel too, you know. Up on the wheel you can't drive.
Yeah.
You ever heard about Nostradamus?
No, me not need to. Me not need to.
Well, you need to go look up Nostradamus.
I go on my job.
Him look at me.
If him look up you, he don't know about you before you come into existence.
Okay, well that's good. Me know about him then. Me want to look up you.
Look at me?
Yeah.
No, I'm the wrong person you look up, sir.
Well, me know we know today. Yes, you get classic camera for your animal them now. Yes, you can't travel go anywhere you want go now left animal.
Johnny?
True? Can't talk.
Me you talk to?
How you mean if I you? Nobody else in have animal?
Well, I wouldn't know that.
You we talk to.
You probably own car and own
remember the only man in our worship animal, you know.
So, you know
you we talk.
Hello, sir, you.
Yeah.
Moutamasi.
Yes, sir.
You don't know that animal come in existence before human.
That no have nothing to do to me. Me no know.
But they make you know because you never know that.
It no have nothing to do with me. Me just no worship animal.
But you don't have to worship animal.
You,
but
man.
the thing them where you worship.
Why?
You better not worship them.
Why? You, man.
Them become you don't fall, sir.
Oh.
But they don't because you can't.
No, they good, man.
Oh.
You, man.
Hello, sir. The human and when you worship, them become your downfall, sir. My animal never become my downfall. And you don't leave it alone.
Well, here what
argument yourself.
You cannot hide from downfall, you know. You know why the fuck with downfall?
Yes, sir.
When you fall and fear for rise.
Again?
Again.
Okay.
Fear for rise. Oh, again come in.
What do you mean how again come in?
Well, you can't put in that, but me I tell you, when you fall, no fear for rise.
Johnny? Yes, sir.
Bingy talk to you, you know.
About who?
Oh, you never did it.
Doing something, man. I'm doing something. Don't show you how to do something already. I will tell you take it.
Come, make me go in the supermarket.
Yes. Me don't talk. Me
You know
yourself,
if you fall down, you forget up.
We do no more talk for the rest of the day. No bother with that.
Why go do that? We have duct tape, can't tape up your mouth. You want your mouth tape up? You come from here?
Say no can no.
Turn out no man.
Then come one Jamaica for choose still, you know?
Yeah, man, then come here, come one up Jamaica for true, man. Everybody who know one beach, one land. Which part of Jamaica you place?
You see the China place side of Pukuru there?
Yeah.
You know, so I pull up there and park them my youth, and I never realize I park at one gateway the Chinaman for go in. Hey, you want to see a brother come in and I go like me just born yesterday? Oh, remove it and me I tell him, so look here, me now move until I talk to him like somebody. Me now move, because next thing watch how I go on. Me turn up there watch him a reel up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I want a boy I tell me say, yo, come on, me Jenna. I say, yeah, man, I principle where wait for man.
Yeah, man.
If we don't get here, don't know no you. Because we not going to come and deal with you, sir. No, so why you want to deal with me, sir? Yeah, man.
Lucky.
Like their style, brother. They don't know if you deal with people and the people place them. As far as we still know, we go to say enough we place them come because to they deal with you, you don't look like a fool place, you know?
Sure, man.
You must think at you. 6 you don't know what going on. You know what going on.
Alright.
Okay, how you going to tell you? You're going to customer say, girl, yeah, man. Look at my fuck, yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, pussy.
That is it.
That is it.
Yes, sir.
I mean, in a 6 bar.
They man, they come here. They don't know you. They know you in a 6. Yeah, man.
I don't know how old you 6 bars.
When I cut me, I'm going to pussy.
Hey, you know, me feel say anyhow the lady know directly if team of forward in there, she would not do that. Them just not see what go on.
Them just not know
what go
on.
Yeah, man. So to you know you want thief, you know? Yeah. You know 6? Eh? To you know when they say you want little thief, you know?
Piece of your piece still left.
No. Yeah, you are the right man, because you no partial nobody.
Yes, that's true, but me not have the body to take the bombing.
Yeah. So you have the body to take it?
Yeah, you have the body to take the bombing.
Yeah, man, body like trailer body.
Yeah, man.
Charlie, you.
They say you're doing.
Yeah, man.
Everybody Mr. Fee body steer.
Stand.
Me not say no more to do it, you know.
Yeah.
But the insurance, I have to big for my family, you know.
Yeah, that's why we are saying we don't know who we are going to left the richest to.
Yeah.
See me? I don't really have nobody for left the richest to, so I can't do it.
But you live in the cat.
Me I have no family, you know, forgive me, you know nobody.
Me have family, man. From where?
What, on Facebook? What's Facebook?
Why are you idiot?
This is up there, you know.
Yeah, man, we're up on the road, you know.
Oh, up on the street, you know.
Vibes on part.
She tell me, don't know.
So no one see cat and him team over here. Cat and him team there, you know.
Right over there, you know.
Principal remember
good
long time, you know. That is it, man. Representing no bad energy, none at all.
So we out here with the people, and I say we out here with the big team right now. I say that team we out here with, we don't know them, but Jezebel. Right now, I top vlogger in Jamaica right now.
Yeah, man.
I tell you, I never go support Portland. I put a little bit. So we out here with the people, so we see what going on.
Yeah, respect to the man, them team, you know.
Right now, around here, the black in a go on, brother.
Yeah, 40.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. The team round today.
Roman, you have the Jenna them around the 6 bars them. See me?
Yeah, what's that? Look at City Girl, you know? No, look at City Girl.
Yeah.
And the eye.
Every time.
People, when I say him a go look a sexy girl, but him always a do that, and when he meet them.
What up? Charlie, look at our goal, look at front there. You know that? All the eye.
Oh, good just stop.
Up top, that is it. So stay tuned to further on.
Update.
Yeah.
Pandestam.
So I'm to my man where they split wood.
What they do?
Split. When they do split wood, guy wants to go drink something more last year. What some story that I get?
Chantary, I'm the drink.
Too much.
How you go? How you go something to go again?
I want him say him did go, you know.
Yeah.
And go, now fling up. Go fling up him, but him now going much.
Yeah.
So him find same money I done quick. As though I go take him in a room, him money done. So him left go way down around that parish. Go look top up. Come back with him little thing in him buckle, you know. And him charge them their bar half a drink, you know. sharp Friday night, you know.
Yeah.
And I got a club, you know. And them say when them looking at such man glass, you know, like everybody a drink rum and tea.
Yes.
So glass would look clear like water, same way, you know.
Yeah.
Looking at film glass, it dark like him a drink molasses, you know. So man say then a wine up for your glass, so man.
Yeah.
Them say a man have to watch film glass. Watch you feed them glass,
Yeah.
yes. Well, me not think nothing bad wrong with that. Yeah, but when the man them see him a sip up that, you know. Him sip up and him sip up him now. Nobody see when him a tap up him glass with him something in pocket, you know.
Yeah. Just
Him
one
left.
must always a glass full.
Yes, him left. Go, club brother. Me say from him attack stage go, turn him down, you know. Say them don't know why him have tough up in a pants tonight like him going a plan for them.
Yeah.
So girl go turn him down right there, so now you know him not have nothing for turn to, you know. Man start feel hard pain in a night then now, you know, cause this get over stiff. Man say, yes no man. Man say you know him start tell him charge them so something nothing to him. I feel pain. Man say yeah, what you mean? Him say I feel pain down a low there, you know?
Yeah.
Man say then that no sound good. Where you take? What you do? Say him not take nothing, him not do nothing.
Just
Say,
normal.
hold on man. Talk to him and tell we were wrong. Say him want go up to him hospital. And them say this look serious, them run with him. And then go up them doctor and nurse and porter take off clothes off a boy, you know. Man pitch tent in a hospital high up here, you know. I say them run call for some nurse and doctor and porter for swing on pan this. Nurse a swing on, doctor swing on, porter swing on. This can't go down. And I say no young man, why you take? Say him not take nothing.
See you way.
Yeah, him not take nothing, him just go have a drink at the bar. Yeah, man say wait man, we a go down there go look for the glass so him did a drink out. When them go down there, them search and them find it kind of hard to find it different from all the rest of them. It's stain, you know.
And dark.
Dark. Plastic cup, you know, brother. And me say dark, it's stain. And the man them carry it up at the hospital. Show a doctor them say, well, like this him trouble. Cause him can't talk, him can't do nothing, him can't even see much people in the ward, you know.
Pain.
What happened to you, man? Pain. When them call for more porter to come swing pan this. Porter say no, them can't swing out this. This can't go down. Call the doctor, make him give me an injection to bring it down.
Christ.
Doctor chew on one pan boy. Come like this, make it stiffer. Yeah. Him tell doctor say look like him can't see good. Sight a go. Doctor show on one more pan him, he can't help this over stiff. That trouble eyesight you know, cause you know one vein to his nerves, you know man. Hey. It's a liquid eyesight you know, not care much people there in front of him, not see them again, you know.
Yes.
Them last.
Well doctor tell him say young man, one chance to this, you know. It's either you leave it and you're blind, it I go blind you.
What you choose?
Or you have to go slit it. Him say nah deal with no slitting, you know.
Where you can't sleep?
Cut the vein.
Yeah.
Yeah man. So him nah deal with no slitting, him want it to go down. Doctor try with him again with another injection. Can't help him. Him turn to doctor and tell him say slit it doc. Cause pain more than anything else now in a man and your eyesight a go.
Pressure.
Yeah, him say doctor fi slit it.
It's a bossy pipe.
Doctor test all the cup, them send cup a lab and everything go test. No Tantaria boy drink.
So what Tantaria good for?
Tantaria something where them get ass. And big animal they attract. Yeah, like them say one grass straw to a drum of water.
Something like that Danny want.
Danny not fi drink that we kill him. Not trouble Danny. And him go drink it like, you know, him a pour out in a cup. Look how strong them animal there is to me and you. And them say one grass shot to a drum of water for the animal. And him a pour out in a glass. Him looking at kill him pan spot, him drop flesh
So,
right here.
come to the glass, him still
Yeah,
alive.
him drop flesh, man. Him couldn't live out.
Just
And before him dead, him blind. Yeah, man.
Still trouble in eyesight.
Trouble in eyesight, see him way.
So him
man.
kill off himself.
Him kill off himself, man. Satisfied with what you can do, man. Just good with what you can do, brother.
So all Johnny they know where like he was him supplicant and then Ray, Johnny.
Supplicant boots up.
Yeah, and he say he do it 2 times a night. Like in back piece a night. 2 times a night.
So that him a buy a supplicant for do, for back fist?
Yeah, Johnny.
Supplicant a good drink, you know, good food drink. It can feed your body and strengthen your body.
Yes.
So good if you have some nice girl to deal with.
Yes.
And strap up a night. So you can drink up your supplicant punch and, you know, your guineas and your cow's milk and them something there, you know. Strong up body. But nothing go. Yes,
Johnny.
You can't do that.